audio and video are muted at your entry. So if you want to ask any questions to the resource person, you can click the icon to raise your hand, or you can type your question to the question answer box, and our panelists will read the questions for you to the resource person. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for better understanding about the topic and make the best use of it. The session will start in a couple of minutes. Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
A very good evening to all the participants who have logged in for this national level webinar on Drama is an Evergreen Media organized by Center of Arts and Craft Club, NKT College, Chennai. Before we begin with today's session, I now call upon our eminent principal, Dr. S. Chamandishwari, NKT College, to deliver the welcome address and introduce the resource expert.
Good evening to all members on the panel and also to the participants. Welcome all of you for the national webinar on Drama is Evergreen Media, which is being organized by NKT Center for Art and Craft and also being coordinated by Dr. K. Vijaya and Mrs. D. Kalpana, assistant professors of our college. And we have for this day in this panel, Mr. K. Sai Kumar, a drama artist, and I would like to introduce him. He's a gold medalist in MSc Mathematics, and he has performed more than 1,000 stage shows and has also written scripts for many stage plays. And he has also published more than 25 guidebooks related to temples, and very excellent keyboard player, and at present working in Canara Bank. With a note of gratitude to our esteemed management, our honorable secretary, for all their unconditional support and guidance, and a note of appreciation to the organizing team, and also to all our faculty members and support staff. May I once again welcome the members on the panel and the participants for this national webinar on Drama is an Evergreen Media. Back to Mrs. Ruth.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your warm welcome. As we all know, the term drama comes from a Greek word meaning action. It is the specific mode of fiction represented in performance that can be a play, opera, mime, ballet, which is performed in a theater, radio, or television by giving us an experience of complete aesthetic performance with a combination of music and dance. Without taking much of the time, I now hand over the session to our resource expert, Mr. K. Sai Kumar, to discuss about Drama is an Evergreen Media. Sir, you can take over the session.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
NKT College and all the team, cultural team, which has organized this webinar. As I heard that the program is better in English, so that all will be able to follow. It is because a national level program. Of course, dramas are mostly regional oriented issues and matters. However, I would try to present the crux of the very great media drama. the session will have 2-3 parts. One is there will be aspiring budding younger generation who would like to know more about drama, how it is done, how it has to be prepared. So that is one aspect. If we tell in botanical and zoological terms, padam varindu bhagangarai kuri, just draw the diagram and mark the places. So just like that, drama's ingredients, I will try to just put in form and how it was evolved like that. Basically, there are many arts. One is called literature, and the next is music, and another is drama. Tamil we say Iyal, Isai, Nadagam. These 3 parts. So drama is a peculiar media where all these 3 are to be applied, which no one knows actually. We cannot just like that handle drama on stage. So we will be taking you along with the PowerPoint presentation, and we will be having a wonderful time, and some humor also I will try to bring. There was one person called N.S. Krishnan in Tamil Filmdom, who was a veteran drama artist. Everyone was telling to him, whenever we are putting dramas, nobody is opening their mouth or laughing. It is very, very bad. How much efforts we are putting, and there is no response at all from the audience. So NSK told, today's play you see, then you tell to me what was the reaction by the public. He just went and on the stage, before starting the drama, 2 sentences only he spoke. The entire 2 hours play, people were laughing, clapping, and they were just enthralled, and we cannot imagine how much they were happy. What was the reason and what was the 2 sentences told by him, Human being is the only person who has got the capability to laugh. So that was the sentence he told. And everyone thought, if we don't laugh, we are not treated as human beings. So the entire play went on very well, and the audience response was good. Now we will just go to our slides. Now drama is an evergreen media.
So you can share your slides. Yes.
Now you are able to see. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Slideshow.
Okay.
Yes.
Drama is an evergreen media, and it has got a lot of ingredients in it. The basic thing starts from Katha tradition. Katha tradition means the art of telling a story. In drama also, there should be some story. Unless there is story, people will not, they will not sit and listen. So our India is a very peculiar country where we have been brought up with the art of storytelling. The Katha tradition has many parts in it. There are many varieties of Katha tradition. Harikatha, Katha Kalikshepam, Villupattu, drama. These things are all examples of Katha tradition. So to tell Kathas, the stories, we should have a media. This drama is taken up as a media. You may not believe the Katha tradition, which started with the Natya Sastra by Bharata Muni in 2nd century BC, that is 200 BC to 200 AD is the period. By that time, he has developed fully the art of drama in the form of Natya Sastra. It was a Sanskrit verse, and it contained plays and how to stage it, what are the body movements, how makeup has to be done, and the roles of all art director, the music, everything he has planned, and even the nuances of having the screens, you call Paduda or whatever types of screens, how a stage, everything. You just imagine 2000 years back, this Sanskrit verse contains most of the details of this dance and drama tradition. Now, our play started actually with this Terukud. We call it as street plays. It is a very simple media by which, there are maximum 2 to 3 characters only, they perform the play. they usually chose all mythological and stories in epics and all. You know, there will be a joker like person, when he will come in the front and he will have a screen in his hand. He will just tell the intro scene. Now the Arjuna will come. He will just tell and admire about his wife. Like that he will tell and he will vanish from that place. He will tell the story. So like that the storytelling, it starts and the artist will come and he will say, so this simple bellows, leg bellows or harmonium only was used as a musical instrument. They used to have tabla and all these things. This music was coming along with the plays. This was a very, very important thing, and the drama started along with music only. This Sankardas Swamigal was called as the father of Tamil drama. He just entered the scenario in 1867. Nearly after his demise, it is about 100 years old person. Is Sankardas Swamigal. He developed the art of drama and he survived for nearly 57 years. First, he brought all dramas like Harishchandra, Rama Ravana Yuddham, Madurai Veeran, Valli Thirumanam, like that he used to have. He was a versatile person and performing a drama, you know, we call it as Dasa Avadhanam. In Sanskrit, Avadhanam means it is a concentration. Dasa Avadhanam means 10 types of concentration. In drama, we have to concentrate on dialects, concentrate on stories, concentrate on songs, raga, so many features. It is a very great art, and this Swami Sankardas, he was called, after he went and visited Palani temple, he got inspired and he started these types of dramas. He used to have a lot of background in all this Sangam literature and all moral stories, everything, and poetry writing, everything. He also used to translate Romeo, Juliet, Julius Caesar, like that. Those dramas also he used to do. Once what happened, you know, he acted as Seniswaran. Seniswaran, you know, he is the person who decides the fate of anybody. So he just completed the studio, drama, and he was just walking along a tank by the side of the temple after completion of the drama. He just was continuing with the script and imagining like a Seniswaran, he was singing songs and walking. One pregnant lady was watching him. What is this fellow? Is Seniswara Bhagan has come in front of him. So she got fainted. It is a real-time story. It is not an exaggeration. She actually died on the spot, seeing this man as a Seniswara Bhagavan. He has come to kill him. So he thought the power of drama, and he stopped acting from then onwards. He was writing stories only. He lived up to 57 years. Even after, in his last days, he wrote nearly 20 plays. He was struck by this, Pasuvadam, we say. So he had an attack. So he was bedridden, still he was writing these dramas. So like that the dramas developed. And music, songs and drama, this all went together. So all our cine persons who were there, they used to have concentration on music. Unless you know music, you cannot have dramas. You know, when we are working, we are normally facing the music, but the drama musicians are along with the music. You know, when we are performing the art, this music comes as a hand, and those days the artists are supposed to have got trained with music. So I will just tell, there are a lot of roles in a drama, like we call as Raja part, Sri part, Kalla part. What these things, you know, this is actually a version of this Tamilified English only. Raja part means this fellow will perform only king's role. Sri part means this fellow will only perform female roles, because females were not willing to act in dramas. They have all reservations and not like just today's liberated women. So this three part was done by the male himself. And color part means this villain role, like that, you know. And there was a movie by name Rajapat Rangadurai. There, one scene is shown as he is performing a king's role, and after he performs that king's role, he has a dream about the heroine. Like that, the camera is panned and the scene gets developed. So I will just tell, மதன மாளிகையில் மந்திர மாலைகளா உதய காலம் வரை உன்னத லீலைகளாம். So you can see he is singing this song, and as soon as he just thinks of the heroine, and the song starts like this. மதன மாளிகையில் மதன மாளிகையில் மந்திர மாலைகளா உதய காலம் வரை உன்னத லீலைகளாம். So these were all part of drama then. The drama, when people were continuously seeing all mythological plays, it got transformed to social plays. Then dialects were given importance. I know there was a lot of liberation activities to take place, and during the period of independence, these liberation dramas were also part of our drama. Then came the independence struggle, and the people, they should get insight in independence. So those plays came into force. Then it was including patriotism also. After these things came, we come to a drama script. This is a form of a drama script, where this is one drama script which has got roles, and this screen shows you each and every character, what dialogue he has to speak. Now we will come to sets. Sets are very, very important things in a drama. Once a drama starts, all our lights are put off and our entire concentration goes to the screen only. So these sets are very important. This sets contains so much of the hard work, where you can see lot of ingredients are put in. You can see, if you see the first one on the top, you have 2, 3, 4 levels. These sets are having. This deep set, we call it as the second person is standing, is called deep set. This is permanently put, and next comes the mid deep set, where there is a person who freely moves in, and there is another set which we use as screens. That will come to the front line because mics are there. You can see these things, and it appears as if you have a balcony and a step in and a duplex type. These types of sets are put, and each drama, before they finally staging, these steps are prepared. And another important aspect is lighting. Lighting is 2, 3 things are concentrated. One is this left top is a focus light, where we get concentration on a person. The right, you are having spotlights. These are called spots, where aside you are talking with your manasachi, or you are talking within yourself. Those things can be shown in these spotlights. Next contains the horror and special effects, and because the people are sitting nearly 50 feet away from the main stage, even the first row person. So these lights are very powerful, and the expressions are shown so closely with this lighting only. Unless lighting is there, you cannot enjoy the play. You can see the effect and the makeup, how beautifully makeup is done. These lightings, the hard lighting and soft lighting and a background, everything is shown. You feel as if you are with this play, and this is very, very nice thing you can see in this thing. Then comes the dialogues. As my guru tells, Mr. K. Sundararaman, drama is a powerful writer's media. Only script plays the major role. An ordinary script, when you perform, it can be made as a very nice script if your performance is good. But a best script can be spoiled by the performance. So any play should run as a well lubricated engine along with the dialogues. So these dialogues only, actually it is a totally writer's media. And we have properties. Properties means scene wise, we have the properties. So these things we arrange according to scene number 1, 2, 3, etc. You can see everything. The artist have to carry along with this when play is going on. Suppose your phone call is coming to you, you should have a phone with you. There are occasions where the artist enters in and just lifts his hand on his, keeps it near the ears and tells that the phone is coming. So those things are there, and you have to read a letter. A letter is come from your lover. So if you start reading, if you take the packet and see the packet and there is no letter is there, it is a, it will be a fun, audience will laugh. So this is called articles. So along with these articles, we also do the stage management. You will be surprised how the stage opens and stage closes. That is, you cannot every time open the full screen, and you cannot pull the curtain down and make the people to assemble to see the drama. So we have a mechanism by which all the lights are put off, and there will be a torch light inside the stage. One person will just show the torch light on. That means the lights will be on. So this is the key indication for the person to see that the scene is opened and all lights are put. Same way, the light of dialogue is very, very important in lighting. So when lighting is happening, the light of dialogue, you would have noted, if you don't deliver that light of dialogue, the scene will not end. So everybody will be thinking, artist would have completed the dialogues and he doesn't know any other extra dialogue. So these are all funny situations we come across. Then the dialogue's clarity, when we are talking, the clarity is very important, and the voice, even if it is what you call as rahasyam, we tell, when you are secrets also, when you are talking in a drama means it should be louder. Like that only you can say. Like that, if you tell, nobody will receive what is happening in this. So that is very, very important. So dialogues delivery is very important. Next comes the makeup. Makeups, whereas regular, social plays, there is no issue. When we are going for serious plays, historic plays, and there are special makeups, we have to make a lot of preparations. And similarly, costumes planning. If you wear the same costume from the first scene to the last scene, then people will not know. The time has not rolled down. Next week we will come and meet. Next week also you will come with same dress, sari and everything. So that continuity is also to be seen. These costumes are very important. Now comes the movement on stage. Side movements, hand movements, expression, acting. All these things form a part of drama. So we are not supposed to show the back. That is the basic ethics in any drama. We are supposed to move left to right or backward only, and you should not turn and deliver a dialogue. While delivering the dialogue also, and from moving from one place to another also, you should be very careful. You should have all sense. Now you can see the direction. The direction, initially we sit and discuss and read the dialogues only. We don't, standing we don't know. When a director tells everybody's role, they will just read out, and with expressions he will help you in the movements and everything. Now mics are very, very important in a play. If you don't have any mic sense in a drama, the entire script, the hard script writing, and the entire exercise of rehearsal, everything will become waste. So you should have a very clear, mic delivery sense. So now comes at that point of time, you have to concentrate on mics. There are front side, there are 4 mics, and we have a top mic where we have we call hanging mic. And when drama starts, a scene may start with a person sitting on the chair on the backside in deep set. But once he starts dialogues, he should come to the mic, and people should not know that he is just coming to concentrate on mic. It should be like, when you are coming for delivering the dialogue and you are concentrating with the play. And scene wise, we give the light of dialogues, spotlights, and we have strobes. Strobes means special effects, horror and all, the flickering lights, those things. Then stage, we have general lighting, and the scene opening and closing, this lighting they have to coordinate. Now, previously we used to have music, means we used to have orchestra, but nowadays it has become a costly affair to run a drama. So what we have done is, we have just taken everything as a recorded version, and now laptops, tabs and have come. So like that, the announcements, everything, we have a mic inside the play, and songs, etc., special effects, everything we have a recording. Unless immediately it should be delivered. Live orchestra playing is now out of question now. Now this is called orchestra pit, where we sit and execute. Because there are some dramas and where some effects are needed, it should be original. Then only people will feel that they are with the play. So I will give you an example of effects. You just see. So this is the child is crying. So this effect, unless that is felt, you cannot do. This is a thunder effect. So you will not feel that you are inside an auditorium by seeing a drama. This is a temple bell. You get the original feel as if you are just within the temple. So then the mic sense, as I told, and very, very important thing is plays are of what type of plays, how dialogues are delivered. You should wait for the plays and you should see the audience and deliver the dialogues. Because what happens, when you are delivering the dialogues, when audience are responding to it, you should not go on be continuously, delivering the dialogues. First, respect the audience, and then only you have to continue with the dialogues. So that is very, very important. And there are situations where your hard, rehearsed dialogues will go waste when you don't deliver the dialogue with the response of the audience. Now you can see these 4 mics are very, very important, and you have to concentrate on the mic and deliver the dialogue. But people should not know that your throw of voice, it should be, because sometimes, when we are delivering, people will shout from the audience, hello sir, mic, we are not able to hear like that. So this is very, very important. Next, this scene changes. Scene wise we plan how scene changes are made, and we have the deep set, mid deep, everything. We give this thing list to the person manipulating it, because he is an illiterate person only. He will just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only he will know. We have to tell. Scene 1 means it is park. Scene 2 means house. Scene 4 means it is court, like that. And then we have parda or drops. There are funny situations where the dialogue will be going as a love dialogues, and backside it will be a house set. You just imagine how a hero, heroine will be having love dialogue in a house. So these types of all bungling will happen in dramas. And next thing is all articles carrying should be done by the drama artists themselves. So what happens, we have to be very careful. We have to take the properties. We have to remove the properties, because the scene where the table, chair, everything is there, it should not be there when scene of either park or a public place is coming. So we have to carry. Otherwise, you can see a chair or any telephone in the middle of a park. So these are all funny situations we come across. Now came the era of this professionalism and amateur plays. What is the difference between professional and amateur? So in mid 60s, this got changed, and only amateur persons started performing. Full-time artists become very less. Amateur artists who were all working in government offices, railways, etc., started performing. I am telling you, all these people who are all not concentrating on their career, they concentrate very much on play, because that is the, they have a lifeline in it. They have an enjoyment. You can see there are some veteran dramatists here, so who are all here. Kodande Mali is there, Ganesh is there, me and Katha Ramurthy. They are all veteran drama, and this is Tirupur Krishnan. He is a big writer. Now these games and the rehearsals are very, very important. Everything is systematized in a play. So if you leave anything there, then we will be getting caught. So these rehearsals are very important. We have to plan in such a way that we are rushing up with the rehearsals like that. Unless we don't have a planning, because lady artists, they will say that I am going, you complete my role. Now one scene will come where 2 artists may be absent. So we have to manage in such a way that we are doing the rehearsals in a very neat manner and planning according to the persons. Then we have the grand rehearsals along with the set, mic, everything. Only one day we have. There we fully rehearse from top to bottom of the play, nearly 4 sessions to 3 sessions on the stage. So this is called grand rehearsal. Along with the music, everything we see that. And where to perform, who will give us opportunity to perform. So these sabhas are the lifeline for us. So they give the offers, they repeat our plays. Now the plays have become in such a situation, the drama field has slowly come down. Now it is again picking up, because there are no payments or anything for a lot of artists. Only lady artists get payments. So at that time, only the dedication aspect is very, very important. So these types of drama are performed, voluntarily. Our people, they dedicate their time. There are a lot of sabhas in the city who just promote dramas. There are Nadigar Sangam, which have Sankaradasar Kalayargam. They give every year, annual drama festival. Kodai Nadagavada by Karthik Fine Arts, Mudra, and TV News Varadarajan, he holds a drama festival like that. Krishnagana Sabha also conducts. So these sabhas and festivals, 5 to 6 days continuous dramas we see. So how came all these old theatres, they just had artists nearly 20-25%. Now the scenario has changed. The drama means maximum 6 persons, 7 persons. If you have more persons, then you cannot complete a play. Now this is those days there were jam-packed shows when people used to just assemble in full this thing, and there were lot of gate collections are also. Gate collection means there will be a counter at the entrance where people will use to purchase ticket and see drama. இப்போ எல்லாம் என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா, whether if drama na complimentary கிடைக்குமா, light music na complimentary, whether we can get complimentary, like that people are asking, because it is such a wonderful art where people are devoting their time, but public they don't want to spend money. Drama means it's complimentary only. Now it has to come from the public that it should be properly done. This Parthasarathy Swami Sabha, it is started in 1900 in Triplicate. Next came Naradagana Sabha. It has got nearly 65 years tradition. This is Rasikaranjani Sabha. This has got nearly 65 years tradition. Music Academy is nearly 100 years old, and it all started with a small beginning, and it awards Sangeet Kalanidhi. These are all persons where all veteran drama artists performed. This is Raja Annamalai Mandram. This is also one of the oldest Sabha. This, in 1927, this was started. This Raja Annamalai Mandram. Even today, these things are surviving here. This Kalaivanandram is a government auditorium. These things, flourished because of this Tamil theatres, and people enjoyed. This is Mylapore Finance Club, MFAC. Now, the drama concentrated on 4 different aspects. One is historic, next one is epics, and the next one is all Purana dramas and the social plays. You can see there are a lot of artists whose names are synonymous with dramas. Now you can see Nawab irundhu Navinam Varai. Navinam means it is current, novel thing, new things. Nawab means Nawab Rajamanikam Pillai, the first person. He only started one company by name Boys Company, where he developed dramas. So people, this is the era of dramas where a lot of eminent personalities they performed on stage. These TKS brothers, 1955, they launched a play by name Rajaraja Solan. You just imagine, nearly 65 years back, they have put a full-fledged historic play where you can see the depth of the Tanjore big temple and the artist. You can see as if you are entering inside the temple, the projection of Nandi, everything. So to that extent, they performed. Next came the Nawab Rajamanikam Pillai. He had a company, and M.N. Nambiyar, one leading artist. He was a performing artist in this group. So he developed Tamil drama. These are all eminent personalities. Kuthabiran, V.S. Raghavan, his brothers, TKS brothers. This is Savi, who is a writer, and this is Mali, who is also a leading dramatist more than 50 years. And you can see at the right hand top, bottom corner, one Mr. K.S. Nagarajan. He is now living legend. He is 103 years old. His son is also A.S. and Sundar, is a drama artist. So these all persons, joined. Kudandai Mali has a name by name Mali Stage. He nearly, got inspired through the person I told, Mr. Nagarajan, and he started playing. You can see the veteran actor Shivaji Ganesan having an interaction with Kudandai Mali some years back. 1957, he started a play. So this is all the era of developing plays. Social plays became prominent. This Kalanilayam, as I told, this is a very, very old troupe. They started as Triplicate Fine Arts, and they have performed so many dramas. And you can see this K.S. and Sundar has performed a play by name Anubhava Aradhana as Tyagaya. And in this play, bottom corner, you can see an artist, this K.S. Nagarajan on the right extreme, who is nearly 100 years old at that time when he was performing, who came on stage in this play in Yarpet. These are all surprising phenomena who have, he used to tell, we used to have dramas by just pledging the jewels of my wife. Those were the days he was telling. And this Savi, who is called, his nickname is Savi, Sa Viswanathan, he performed, he wrote the play Washington Il Thirumanam. The theme is about a marriage happening in Washington. So this play has become a very big hit. And this Savi's play, the entire nuances of a Hindu marriage, Brahmin's marriage, as if it is done in Washington. This was the theme. Devan was a playwright. He wrote on Tupparim Sambu, which was very well received. Another legend is Merina. His name is Bharanidharan. Many facets of any artist, 2-3 things he performs. So in this, this Merina used to perform he used to write a lot of plays, Tani Kurtanam, Urumbu, Samyar, Imamyar, Kalkutta, like that. Purnam Viswanathan was a part of his team, and he is also a writer on spiritual books. All these plays became very prominent and become a big hit. These are all happening in 1970s. This is a great legend, Nadaka Kavalar we call him, and his name is R.S. Manohar. He has performed all these anti-heroes roles, Lankeswaran, Indrajit, Vishwamitra, Tirunavukar, like that, These plays, Naragasuran, Surabhatman, all these persons are all negative characters. He brought the nuances of what is inside him, what was goodness in him. His name, the theatre was named as National Theatres. They had a discipline. 6:30 means they will start the show. Not like 7 o'clock, first bell, second bell, audience are not there. We need not start like that. He is a highly disciplined person. This, he used to tell how he used to work a play. All are historic plays and mythological plays. This is the play in which he has acted as Tirunavukar sir, the great saint of Upper. This had a very tragic event end for him in his life. What happened, this Tirunavukar sir character was put in Sunnambu Kalavai. This where the boiling calcium was there inside that. So he was to be put like that. The drama scene goes. When he was climbing the ladder, the person who was to put the ladder, he has removed the ladder. So he just fell down and just became the end of his life. He became bedridden. And he did the Chanakya, that is Megasthenes Indica, like that old days, Kautilya's Arthasastra. This Kautilya's role, he did in Chanakya as a historic play. Seva stage, SV Sahasranamam. These times were parallel times when Kalaignar Karunanidhi and Shivaji Ganesan got united. They respected drama and parallelly they were also having movies. So these movies became popular and they were also performing on plays. Next came the great director K. Balachandar. He actually, he was working in AG's office. He became a part of United Amateur Artists of YG Parsardi. And he started doing, and the independent plays he then started doing. All these plays became popular. He has become all India famous also. Lot of dramas done by him, it was all made as a parallel version in Hindi also. To cite a few, Teen Bahurayin is the Bama Vijayam, and May Sundar Hoon is the Sarvar Sundaram, right and bottom corner we are seeing. And Aina is a movie which was taken as Arangetram in Tamil. And Ek Kai Panel, Sarasi Zindagi, all these are all actually Tamil plays, which you may not believe. Next came the great Matern, is a member of parliament, Cho Ramasamy. He is actually, he had a vision about our politics. So this person actually in 1975 did a play by name Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. This play was a super hit play, and this holds good even today. That is the greatness of this play, because this Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he used to change from Delhi to Dawlatabad, the capital. All these things like whatever politicians used to do, all these things, these blunders were doing. All these dialects were very powerful, and a lot of his dialects. There was one play done by him. The play's name is Why Not. There is an interesting incident which I would like to tell. Audience, as I told, all lights are switched off. He tells about a new thing which is to be told in the drama, that one person is dying, or he pretends to die, and his life, the Atma comes out of that life and it is getting introduced into another person, and this person's character is getting embedded in the new character. So this was the thing, and immediately this idea was told. One person from the stage itself, along with his co-artist, was, how can it happen? It's all stories you are telling. These are all, nobody can believe like that. Immediately there will be a loud voice, why not, like that. The entire sound comes from the backstage, from the back entrance of the auditorium. There is a spotlight there. He is an artist. Why cannot it happen? He is asking, the audience were just thrilled. How it happened? That person is, why not it can happen? He will just walk to the stage and come to the stage. These are all the many things, new things they have done. Mowgli was a great character, and he did one super play called as Flight 172, which had a very simple theme. Why I am giving all this important place, you can see a flight is cancelled, just like our corona time when flight is cancelled. So what this happens in the airport, these persons are, they don't know anything, they are all illiterates. So along with these illiterate persons, how the situation becomes comedy in the airport, that is the scene. There is one dialogue, there is a foreigner sitting by the side of him. He tries to explain, Davil. Davil is this percussion instrument, and Nadaswaram also he wants to introduce to him. He asks, Nadaswaram, that foreigner blinks. He could not follow what is Nadaswaram. How to tell Nadaswaram to him is the scene situation. He tells there is a big pipe, it contains many holes. When you blow air, no air comes out, sound comes. So like that he will tell. And for a percussion instrument, Tamil we say, he tells that it is a round but side flat surface like that. So this was the flight 172. And next means they are all parallel artists, United Amateur artists who are nearly 60 plus years old. This Kasedan Karanada was a play in the troupe. This left hand top is Tegai Srinivasan. The dramas were also running by that time. This was the first play where a comedian was given a 60 feet cutout in a theatre for a drama. That was very great for the movie. These ARS, they are all veteran dramaticians. Visu was also a popular dramatic artist. He did many plays. He then came to Cinefield. However, his plays became very popular. We were all, fortunate. By mid 80s, these people came from drama to movie. So these dialogues were very powerful in this place. Komal Swaminathan was a social play writer, and it was a very, Tanir, it became a very popular play. Same way, this play, starts. I just visited saw the play, the 102nd performance. It was a jam-packed show. When a person asks for water, the theme is about water, and the person at the entrance, Tanneer, water, like that it calls. The artist in that scene, he comes from the backside entry to the stage. So these things became very popular, and this came as a movie also. Next came Crazy Mohan, who was a very veteran drama artist, and in this place became very, very popular. And if I start telling the dialects and the humor, we will be missing the time. And S.V. Shekhar is also a member of parliament. He had a powerful timing sense, and the jokes are very powerful. In one scene, his boss and he will be a subordinate. The boss will tell, he will tell to the boss, sir, thank you very much, sir. I just joined you, and you told all the nuances of real estate business. Within 15 days, you have taught me. I am very happy, sir. Then that boss will tell, all these things you should have learned within 3 to 4 days. You have taken this 15 days. Like that, the timing sense will be so sharp in this place. Next came the present era, this Ponniyin Selvan, Sivagamisam. These are all plays written by Kalki, one great author. One D. Malik Raj, he is presently doing, and nearly 25 artists, excellent, nearly 25-30 settings. All these plays are now, you can never imagine, they are on screen nowadays. So people should know all these things. There are now lot of new, not new, there are parallel, so many troops are there. Bombay Janakya, August, United Visuals, Dummies, Rahil Priya, like that, so many artists are there. Vivek Shankar, Siva Prakash is that Nara Kavadar R.S. Manohar's relative. He is also doing historic plays. And presently Bombay Jnanam, who is doing all real-time, Sai Baba, Ramana Maharishi, Shankaracharya, like that, so many plays they are doing. Anna University Culture also, they are doing many plays. These types of dramas. Now coming to my dramas, what plays I have done. எனக்கு வந்து காமெடி விட்டா ரொம்ப சீரியஸாவே எதுவுமே சொல்ல தெரியாது. So my dramas were all actually humorous plays. The plays are it has got a situation comedy. What is the situation comedy is a situation will be created and people will start laughing from the beginning until the end they will be laughing. That is the power of that situation. So these situations are dealt with in my plays. Actually, my troupe, we actually started with a humble, 4 friends, and then we also had a new troupe by name Nadaka Vriksha. So this Nadaka Vriksha, we have stage plays also. and there were hilarious plays which we performed. Now this makeup is also a very important art. One of our artists is getting ready. Our first play was Kalyana Sikkal. Sikkal means in Tamil, it is a problem. So the play was written in 48 hours. You can see in the middle of the photo, Mr. Ganesh, who got the best actor. There was a debate whether we should give a praise for a comedy actor in a drama festival. That was the debate. It went on nearly till midnight, 2 a.m. because the humor was so good, and you cannot just give only praises for all plays where artists, deep, they do melodramas and all these things, sentiments. So this Kalyana Sikkal, this Sikkal is one of the important words in that play. So this Sikkal, actually the drama starts like this. He tells his friend, I don't want to get married. So what, some idea you said, one friend you will ask. He tells, actually I will give you an idea. Nada Nalama, how are you? Number விஷயம் என்னாச்சு? What about our issue? உங்க வீட்ல சொல்லிட்டீங்களா? Have you told in your house? Yours urgently, Sikkal Susila. Like that you will tell. What I am unable to follow, you will tell. This is a love letter. Like that you write a letter and post that you are having a lover. Your parents will start searching who is that lover. The end of the day, you can avoid marriage. So these things happens, and how the problem develops. This is the drama's title, and the Sikkal word plays a full humor in this play. This is the Kalyana Sikkal. Next play is Kashmir ku Kashtagalam. Kashtagalam means in Tamil, problems, all the sorts of issues. Kashmir ku Kashtagalam means Kashmir issue is a burning issue even from good old days. But this Kashmir Kashtagalam is a different play where one person is taking these three persons, they want to go to Kashmir and have a location where we can have a shoot for a movie. So they actually take a person who knows Tamil, and in that person is having a selective amnesia. So he forgets these three persons who has taken them to Kashmir, and he joins with the terrorists. With that, this is a parody. What we mean by parody is, the Roja one movie came. There is kidnapping. So that story is done as a humor. We created all effects of carrier and all this, the terrorists, everything we did, and BSF everything. There is a dialogue here. This BSF people, they want to go for a one-man command operation. You will have a map and tell, Nama inge irukom, we are here. Like that, on map you will tell, and the next thing what you have to do. Then the artist will ask, India la irukra தீவிரவாதியை பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு எதுக்கு ஆஸ்திரேலியா map? Because we should see some map when we are going to do from command operation. This was the humor. Now there are three artists here. The right extreme is myself in the Kashmir Kashtagalam. This drama has a peculiar 13 artists. So we had to, 48. Many persons we had to train. So I had to do the role also. And next play is Columbus Ennai Kollade. This is about, doctors. Doctor means it is a satire on doctors, how they, create problems. So this is Columbus Ennai Kollade. In this play, there is one dialogue. You come to this hospital, whenever you are getting, admitted, you can take this registration form and you have to give registration fees of 100 rupees. Immediately you will ask, why 100 rupees registration form in this hospital? Nanga body free. If anything happens to you, you will be cremated free of charge. So this is the Columbus Ennai Kollade play, and this had a very climax humor. It's a different climax where judge also becomes a part of the humor. So the person enters into a doctor and tells he doesn't have any problem. Then he told this is a peculiar problem. So like that the play goes, and at last he ends up with his hearing. He gets lost. So the judgment was the final scene, and the court scene also we created. This is something. Something means bribery. So regarding that, we did a humorous play where to get a legal hair certificate, you have to give bribe. This story was enacted, and this was done during Vigilance Awareness Week. It was a skit and further developed as a play. And next we did a different play when my friend, we four actually united to have a troupe by name Kalamitra in 90s. myself, Mr. Ramakrishnan, Mr. Sivakumar and Sri Kumar. So after a long gap, he did a play. In this, I did 15 roles in that play. My friend jocularly asked that Shivaji Ganesan did 9 roles in Navaratri, Kamala Hassan 10 roles, you are doing 15 roles like that. It is a very tough play, and the plays actually, duration was very, very short. So like that we did, and many roles also we have done. This is the Rangarajan Swami's role, which I did. Everything we have to concentrate on makeup. 15 roles means you can just imagine. This is a set role which I performed, and this got a very good response. This A for Apple, U for US is a different play where nowadays everyone is aspiring to grow abroad and forget about the parents. So all these nuances were covered in this play. This is the scene where this person on the left, she comes from abroad. This Shastri or Purohit doesn't know. She is the actually bride. She asks, "What? You are a bride. You are not even having a tilak in your face." She tells you, "Just come and see, sir. I am having tilak." "No, ma, I could not see." "You just come nearer and see." "No, ma, I am unable to see." "You just come further nearer and see." "No, further anything further, your husband alone come. I cannot come." Like that he will say. So such a humorous thing we did as a satire. Child artists also did this play. This is a Skype scene where we did humor. They are just clipping and showing. So this is from my play. Next we did Arasiyal Ambel. This is a satire on politics. This also was very well received, and this was done in on conference. We did the play, and we did. Our troupe has got so many actors, musicians. All actually they are working elsewhere and a part of our team. They are all the dedicated persons who have made this possible. Before we come to the nearby, closure of our event, I will just ஒரு சின்ன scene நம்ம டிராமால இருந்து அதை வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு இப்போ பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன். The situation is a very, very simple situation where one director is coming along with the producer. A song composing scene is the situation. That as the composer is a musician who is sitting along with the harmonium, and our producer comes inside along with the lyricist. He tells our drama theme is, music, what you are going to compose should be very, very attractive. It should be very new. The subject which I have thought over is really new. Like that, the entire essence should come in that song. Immediately, the musician gets inspired and asks, "What is the crux of the theme?" It is a love story. One hero loves a hero. Sir, from 1942 love story, this is the story. What is new in it? No, on those days, Muhammad Rafi sang, so the voice was prominent. Then Lakshmi Parallel did the music, so music was prominent, and all the orchestra, they performed. The lyricists were, they were concentrating on lyrics. All these aspects you should bring out in one song. That is the important of music. Tell me, sir, what I can do. You tell me what I can do. You tell. All these things should not come in that song. It should be totally different. So I have got a situation. You have to compose a song for that situation. What is the situation? You will tell. I will tell the situation. It is called. It is a college student having a love with his student. So that is the situation. So you will tell. First I will tell this is who is this person? He is Bimpappa, our lyricist. Oh, Bimpappa, what is this? Our even lips are even not gets released. His lyrics are also like that. When he writes, you will never forget the lyrics. Such a great lyricist, he will say. Oh, I have not heard him. He said, what is this, sir? He has done so many songs. Ayyo, pati kichi, ayyo, chiki kichi. This song you have not heard, huh? Yes, I have heard. This song is written by our Bimpappa only. Oh, I thought when we put the song on the tape recorder, the cassette got stuck. So I thought it is because of that. His original song itself is like that. Okay, sir. Okay. Now the song is like this. Like okay. What is the situation? He told hero, morning he thinks about the breakfast, but he doesn't have money. This is the situation. He thinks about the heroine. So you should convey this message in the Pallavi of that song. Okay. Idli chattini, pattini matini. Excellent. When I told the hero is having, his book like, so you are told idli. Then next line you tell. Yes, hero wants to go to matinee show. Beautiful, sir. Then next sign is. So the important thing is this latest trend you should bring in that. What is that latest thing? You should bring some sounding in that. What is that sounding? I will tell you. It should have a degree duck. What is that duck? You told the heroine is having a love affair with the student. He is not good at studies. So he is doing degree. He is having duck in his degree. So I have put the song duck, degree duck, like that it tells. So like that the song sequence goes. This is a scene from our play, Padal Padum Pad. So this had a very hilarious moments in this play. So we had a very nice session and a lot of humor, everything, ought to be shared. And I hope I have been able to bring you the best of the contents and lot of things, in dialogue delivery is one important feature I wanted to tell. The stress and importance is very important. In Kashmiri Kashagalam, there was a dialogue. We started 3 persons from Chennai. We started to come to the Kashmir location. We got, then also these 3 persons came. Then we came to the location and we got lost. So at that point of time, there is a dialogue. We do not know who are those 3 persons. That was the dialogue. So the emphasis was made like this. Who are those 3 persons? But the dialogue, when my director corrected, who are those 3 persons? The emphasis is only 3 persons. I am unable to know who are these 3 persons. So though we write the dialogue, the delivery is very important. And in many places, as I told, dress change, everything we have to make. We have to wear pant, and over that we have to wear the dhoti, and 2-3 dresses also there in that. So like that we used to plan and do everything. Once the lights are switched off, we get tense up. We do not know what has to be done. When dialogues are going on, then artists will ask whether I have to go to the next scene. I am in that. No, I don't think like that. Confusion, everything will come. So such a important thing. There was one play where there was a dialogue. One Kunnur Ponne Nellur Payya. That is the bride is in Kunnur and the bridegroom is in Nellur. So in the dialogue வந்து ஒரு ரயில் பிரியாவோட டிராமால வந்து பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க அவங்க தும்மல் நின்று போச்சு டிராமால. அந்த டைலாக் வந்து நான் பேசுறேன். அந்த டைலாக் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்காக பேசுறேன். நான் குன்னூர் பொண்ணு நெல்லூர்ல பார்க்க போனேன். நெல்லூர் பையன் குன்னூர் போனப்போ குன்னூர் பொண்ணு குன்னூர்ல இருந்து நெல்லூர் போயிட்டானா, குன்னூர் பொண்ணு நெல்லூர் பையன் குன்னூர்ல பாப்பானா இல்ல நெல்லூர்ல பாப்பானா. This was the dialogue. And if you understand the meaning only, you will be able to act this, deliver this dialogue. Because this dialogue, this was not the climax of this dialogue. This was recorded outside, and for this I had to talk the dubbing voice. So this was a very tough situation, and great Crazy Mohan troops. One Kumar was there. He was monitoring the dubbing, and he told, today you have spoken very easily. You just imagine you have to talk in dubbing. On first take, I delivered this dialogue. So there was a very good applause from him, because the dialogues are to be very prompt, and timing is very important. In one drama, first scene you will ask one manager, sir, I want leave today, sir. The manager will say, no, you are not emphatic about asking your leave. You should ask properly. So your application is not correct. So he will tell, I may be permitted 1 day leave. I may permitted only one day leave. Then he told, you are not specific. So I have to take care of my only wife. Kindly grant me 1 day leave. What is this, Baba? You have not put only properly. You change that sentence and give it to me. As I am the only husband to take care of my only wife, I am unable to attend the office, like that he tells. So you have done a big blunder here. You have told the ordinary only matter, you have taken it to adults only level. So you are suspended. Go, like that you will tell. I want 1 week break, whether it is suspension or leave. Thank you, sir. Like that you will vanish from the scene. Like that, the timing is very, very important. In many places, we have stood on to the timing sense, and all my plays are revolving around half a sentence, 45, 75% of a sentence, like that. So the dialogues, if it is not delivered in proper form, it will not evoke any response, or it will not have any humor content. So that is very, very important. We enjoy the play of humor. There are very few humor plays coming of these days, and we did all these plays. One more play, Doubt Analum Damodar, is also an important thing. For any play, the title itself conveys the importance of the play, and the title itself revolves around the entire play is important. So once the title is decided, means play itself is complete. So I hope I have taken much of your time, and lot of things I wanted to tell. In dramas also, there was a drama scope concept where Hanuman used to fly on screen. Adisesha used to come on stage. The scene of waves, the seashore waves, we can see all these things was done. The rains also happened in stage, like that. These things are explored by veteran dramatists. So such a wonderful thing is the drama, and we youngsters should try to help and protect the nuances of drama, and we should enjoy with the public. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing us the wonderful experience of drama. And indeed, it's going to be evergreen in our minds. Ma'am?
Thank you very much,
Yes.
sir. And I would like to just add on that NKT College of Education, which is in Triplicane, and we have got the Kala Mandapam, which is housed inside our campus. It's a very renowned stage where many veterans like Cho Ramasamy and Kathari Ramasamy and many other people have housed there. They have stage performed over there. And still, even today, every year, we have got the Andal drama being staged by our NKT Girls Higher Secondary School. And I'm not sure if I'm able to share a small clipping of the Andal drama. Mrs. Ruth?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can do it.
Can I share the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Sir, can you unshare your screen?
I think sir has to
Yes.
stop sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can do it.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Opening. Now it's visible.
So it was a small clipping. I think I have got a few more clippings also, which probably later on I could share. And thank you, sir. It was a wonderful presentation by you. and it was really good. And we were able to go through the stage performances. And of course, for today, the stage performance is not as popular because of the development of other media and other things, but still, it has got its own significance. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, we have some questions from the participant side. I'll read out the questions for you. The first question is from Bala Subramanian Rajamani. Sir has asked, like, there are 3 unities in English drama, like unity of time, unity of place, and unity of action. Is there any unities in Tamil drama? And will drama replace TV serials?
The concept, as we tell in the quality circle, 5 years, all these things are terminologies we use.
Okay.
So these concepts, whatever you are saying, is being administered in our. So the name may not be there, terminologies may not be there, but it is happening in our place. Second question is regarding whether our place will replace the series. But you can see in Chennai theatre or wherever, in Kerala, Karnataka and all, even one act plays and without any backdrop and sets also, the plays are going very well. And it can be never be substitute. It can be overtaken by any serials. If we have the thrill of enjoying the live shows, the serials are only actually events where you have all everything cut, everything is there. But drama means, so it is a great thing which we should promote, and it should flourish also. I'm sure that it will continue to flourish.
Okay, so next question is from Dr. A. Bala Malika Devi. She has asked, like, how drama can be incorporated in teaching learning process?
In teaching,
is it possible to?
As I told, in some of the ancillary subjects, we have Katha traditions where drama is also a part. In the beginning itself, I told. Actually, there are colleges are actually encouraging the students to perform plays. The first thing is, till 1985, I was in the audience side. Any play, any music, anything, I will be sitting behind me. When there are, I will not see. Now, the same way, when you are doing college or whatever in this mainstream, there should be stress or importance in the subject. There are, whenever there is art field, subjects are being studied or done by the students who are having, but definitely we should have skits and the plays in the career, like we promote dramas.
Okay, the next question is, what is the difference between Ilakkiya Tamil and Ezhiya Tamil?
Okay. Ilakkiya Tamil means drama ஒரு சோழ டிராமா ஒன்று வந்தது. அவர் வந்து சொல்லுவாரு, என் சார்பில் வந்து அட்வொகேட் வந்து பேசணும். He is not an advocate. அவர் சொல்லுவாரு, I will take this story like this. That lady got raped. So I have to present in such a situation. This lady is raped. The MLA was present. This was the scene. This is the correct thing. I will try to present like that. Sir, what is that? You are talking in English. I cannot talk in English like that. So immediately I will talk in English as well as English. Don't worry like that. So English and Tamil itself has a big barrier, and we cannot speak full English. Same way, we cannot speak pure Tamil also. Ilakkiya Tamil means it is fit for dramas, historic mythological plays. மன்னா எங்கிருந்து வந்தீர்கள்? வணக்கம். இன்று மதியம் நமது அரசாணை அவையிலிருந்து அமைச்சர் வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார். If you tell in a colleague, சார் எங்கிருந்து வந்தீங்க? இருந்தா வந்துருக்கீங்களா? எப்போ வரீங்க? சொல்லிருக்கேன். If you see the drama context, this is totally not going correlated. So this is Ilakkiya Tamil means good Tamil, and this colloquial Tamil is the second thing which are presently in vogue in social place.
Okay, so the next question is from Ms. Aarti. Who is the first woman to take up a role in drama, and what role she enacted?
It is general knowledge. Definitely. But I one thing. Initially, I told three part was done by male members. Three means lady. So it was the trend going on. But I am seeing veteran dramatists like K.B. Sundarambal and who acted as OIR in movies. Who charged 1 lakh for that movie in those days. So she is a singer. So I think, to my knowledge, Tamil theatre, he must be one of the persons. And before that, M.K. Thyagaraja Bhagavathar was also a drama artist, P.U. Chinnapayanda. At that time, N.C. Vasanta Kokilam, T.R. Rajakumari, they were all also drama artists only. So in that context, these persons should have been the pioneers in Tamil theatre.
Final question from one of the participants, Mrs. Rajamani. She has asked, what are the limitations of drama?
Okay. What is the purpose of drama? What is the limitations? Like that we can tell. Now the purpose is very clear. Either it may be humor or some social message or some current event which people should reach. Corona, அதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ஃபைன் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அதை போட்டோம்னா அது வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து பர்பஸ் வந்து அது நம்ம போயிடும். So limitation அப்படிங்கும்போது we are having artist limitation. Now the payment is not there for all artists. So the money is a very big constraint. We can imagine, think big. For Rajaraja Cholan, there is a headline given by one press writer. He told, to think is to think big. Rajaraja Cholan thinks means you will think big only. Big temple, big Nandi, like that. So when you think big, you write, like, you know, the Shankar's movie. He first shot itself in Himalayas. Second shot we will have in Kashmir. So thinking is something, but execution is very tough. So when you are going for historic place, we have wonderful, hard-working teams and troops. So the money is a very big limitation for that. There is one thing. And second thing, artists, you know, they have to burn the midnight oil for rehearsal sake. They have to give compromises. There is full of compromises, and your family members should support. So that is one limitation. In crucial times, we also sometimes 48 hours before our drama was to be staged, one person had a sudden eye problem where he may lose vision also, like that. The doctor threatened. அதாவது டாக்டர் மூலமா எனக்கு சரி வந்தது அந்த டிராமால. But you know what I did, you know, I searched for so many persons. One Prakash, he came and within 48 hours he performed that role, which that another person rehearsed for nearly 3 weeks. So such great artists are there. So these types of limitations are there, risks are there. So these things can be manipulated only by practice and if you have confidence. So these types of limitations, and sabhas giving opportunities. In Chennai means around 8-10 sabhas. There are a lot of troops, you don't get regular dramas. But Pollachi, then Maharashtra, Bombay, Shanmugananda Hall, then Madurai, like that, you know, Coimbatore. There are a lot of sabhas which give opportunities. So these are also one limitation. You have done an excellent play. You have got only 8 times to perform it, but it should reach a bigger audience. If you go in media or TV, it will be, say, I will see in TV, it is available in YouTube, you know, when it is coming tomorrow evening, okay, no problem. You are uploading, you know, then thank you, like that. He will not know the charm and the thrill of the live shows. So this is also one limitation. So these are all some limitations, which I think if you give importance to stage plays or theatrical interests, these limitations should vanish.
Thank you, sir. Any questions from the panelists? Or anything to be shared?
Sir, it was an excellent presentation, sir. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much. And our student teachers, they have to handle small children to train them for the drama thing. Can you give some suggestions or some tips to our student teachers how to handle the students to play drama?
Yes. Dramas, as I told, it has a part as a music also. So small children, you know, easily pick up music, and small songs and all they should include in plays, which will make them confident in doing when they are doing roles. Because dialogues means they will not take small children means they cannot write the dialogues and, you know, reproduce. They will just by heart and reproduce it. So the children should be trained in such a way that they are fine-tuned with the music along with the dialogue. Stories first they should tell. Thematically, this is the story. You are knowing this role. So when we tell the story, the child gets the idea of story. So it gets enthralled and gets embedded into that story. So once the child starts enjoying the story, naturally he or she gets the tendency to react. So action and reaction will naturally follow. So this is the thing, and we should not be strict. We should not tell you are doing mistakes. We should be positive. And even as very senior artists also, they do blunders on stage. So we should fine tune them and see in such a way that they are molded and they get confidence and become big stage artists.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Kalpana, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, good evening, sir. We are having a wonderful session. Sir, are artists born or taught?
Actually, it is a God's.
Hello.
Hello. Are you able to get me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are getting.
They are having inbuilt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They are having in Tamil we say அறிவுடைமை என்பது அறிவீனத்தை விளக்குவது. One talk debate one person has told. Everyone is having the talent. Actually, the அறிவுடைமை, the knowledge is inside and it is a dust is on the knowledge. So everybody is born with talent only. So we can 100% take it they are born with talent. But there may be some person who is not having interest in dramas. He may be interested in music. He may be interested in writing poems. So such a person, he is not a born actor or dramatist. So we should know the strength and weakness, and people are able to develop themselves. We should choose the correct branch and then develop. So in that case, every artist is just born only, and the circumstances make him get molded and take more confidence in achieving this feat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, you want to share anything?
Sir, it was a wonderful session, sir, and we really enjoyed it. And I would like to share.
Hello. Hello.
A video clipping has been shared, sir.
Okay.
With all our praises to our sustaining deity, Sri Andal, I thank you, sir. I thank you again. And back to Mrs. Ruth here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I now call our program coordinator, Dr. K. Vijaya, Assistant Professor of Education, to deliver the word of gratitude.
Good evening, one and all present here. The essential of all beautiful art is gratitude. Gratitude is not only the greatest virtues, but the parent of all others. First of all, I would like to thank our distinguished resource person, Mr. K. Sai Kumar, for gracing today's webinar. Thank you, sir, for your very interesting and thoughtful, provoking address. I would like to thank the Almighty for making this webinar a successful one. I also wish to express my gratitude to our beloved and dynamic principal, Dr. H. Chamundishwari, for her unconditional support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our panel members for their continuous encouragement. I am very happy to express my thanks to our host, Mrs. A. Enid Ruth, and my co-program coordinator, Mrs. D. Kalpana, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Last but not the least, I thank all the staff members and the participants who have made this seminar a grand success. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Before we wind up with the session, a small announcement to the participants. Feedback links will be sent to the groups. Give your feedback and get your e-certificates. It is an auto-generate certificate. Therefore, the link will be open for the next 5 days. Thank you for your valuable presence. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.